Hi, I'm Nico from IceCreamBlogger.com, and today I'll be showing you how to make a no churn ice cream with cookies and cream. So this recipe calls for only 4 ingredients. That's all we need. Very simple. It's crushed Oreo cookies, not too fine, so you can actually taste and feel the bits in your ice cream. We use a tablespoon of vanilla, sweetened condensed milk. We'll use the whole can for that. I have it chilled, so it makes it easier to freeze, and heavy cream. First thing to do is to put the heavy cream in the mixing bowl and whip it till soft peaks are formed. This should take about 3 minutes in total. I set the mixer to a medium speed for 3 minutes. While the cream is being whipped, I'll be adding a generous teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. So now that the soft peaks are formed, we can start adding the sweetened condensed milk to the cream. The sweetened condensed milk takes some effort getting it out since it's kind of syrupy. Using the stir setting on the stand mixer, we can just incorporate the condensed milk into the cream. It only takes a few seconds for that to be incorporated. And now it's time to add the crushed Oreos to the mixture. I carefully fold in the cookies into the mixture, not to break them up even more. Now I transfer the mix over into my ice cream storage containers. I use these Star Pack home ice cream freezer containers with the silicone lids that I bought on Amazon. They work really amazing. They keep the frost out, they keep the moisture out, and seal very nice. So I can really recommend them. I have them listed below in the link in case you're interested. And after that, everything goes in the freezer, and it has to freeze for at least 6 hours to make it nice and solid. Thank you for watching my video, and not to miss out on future videos, please subscribe.